Wilson's bird of paradise. Wilson's bird of paradise, endemic to the islands of Indonesia, is renowned for its extraordinary plumage and courtship behavior. The male sports a striking turquoise crown, iridescent emerald green throat, and ornate tail feathers that resemble intricate filigree. Its elaborate displays, performed on carefully cleared stages in the forest, are a testament to its role as one of nature's most visually captivating species. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.